Discover water leaf. Well, this is a plant or vegetable crop native to and grown in parts of the world such as Asia, Central and South America, and Africa. Water leaf is often used interchangeably with spinach. This edible plant is crunchy when fresh. In Africa, water leaf is used to cook a variety of soups. Speaking for the Cameroonian people, water leaf is a main ingredient in one of the most popular dishes, eru. Have you heard about eru? Eru is eaten by most Cameroonians. However, it originates from the southwest region of Cameroon, precisely from the Manu division. It is the Manu people's food. This plant is used in other African countries and Nigeria is one of them. This plant is cultivated in many parts across the world. Like other leafy vegetables, water leaf can be grown in home gardens as well. Shortly, I will show you how to plant water leaf. Now, let us speak about the storage method, preservation tip. After washing and slicing water leaf like this, if you're not going to cook it on the same day, you can find a Ziploc bag, pack it into it, and then proceed to freeze. This definitely works perfectly. If not, then you can proceed to either cook your water leaf on the same day or spread it on a bag in an open space and cook the next day, which is still okay. Now, when it comes to planting water leaf, the process is not cumbersome. To plant, you can either use seed or cuttings. Cuttings refers to the stem, and in most home gardens, this is what is used. When one is done extracting the leaves from the stem, it is the stem that is planted. That is just how it is done. Now proceed to till your soil, and then you're just going to place your stem in the soil. It is just easy. This is so that it holds. When we started, you saw how hard the soil looked, and it is nearly impossible to actually plant there just like that, because if you try to force your stem into the soil, it is definitely going to break. So you must till first, not deeply, just lightly, and then you're just going to plant like this. On my channel, I have a video on how to dry water leaf for exportation, and you can check it out. I'll leave the link in the description box. This vegetable is known by many names, and this vegetable has a pink flower in most cases. I have videos on my channel on how to cook Cameroon's most popular dish, eru, using water leaf. Please check out the description box. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.